What's up, guys? It is 10:31 a.m. It is day 3 of my 1,000 sit-ups, 1,000 push-ups challenge. And I'm gonna be honest, woke up later today than I anticipated. I really wanted to get up at 8 today, but then it became 9, and then it became 10. I just could not do it. I stayed up till like 2 in the morning editing for day 1. Kind of confusing how the whole thing is set up, but basically I'm gonna get a day early, and I'm gonna be posting every day 1 day later. So if that makes any sense to you guys. Yeah, it sounded like it was raining earlier, which is good for me because that means nobody else is gonna be at the bars. So get it all to myself today. Yeah, so I'm stoked to be ready to get at it. This is gonna be the first day I'm actually going to get my workout training on this camera, so that'll be cool. I'll get to set that all up. But yeah, I really want to be able to get up at, I don't know, 4:30 to 6 a.m. And just get the workout done first thing in the morning, because there's nothing better than getting a good workout in before the sun rises. So yeah, and we'll just see how it goes. I appreciate you guys' support so far. You guys are great. This is gonna be a challenge. There's gonna be days like these where I just don't meet my quota, and there's gonna be even harder days. I know it. But yeah, so 7 sets today. Let's see how it goes. What's up, y'all? I'm on my way to the bars, and my suspicions were correct. It's cold as crap, drizzling outside. Perfect day for a grind. NANI?! That's halfway point, guys. I'm feeling pretty good. Well, y'all, that was day 3. Besides getting my camera all wet, I'd say that was a pretty decent workout. Believe it or not, that was actually felt a lot better than the day before, which I did 6 sets. The first 4 sets I just cranked out. It felt really good. So yeah, I guess my word to everybody is if you've been doing a workout for a while and you're afraid of committing to something bigger and going even harder, don't be afraid to push yourself, because you may just surprise yourself with the endurance and the amount you could take. So thanks, guys, for following me so far. I'll have another video out to you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and God bless.